Riyadh World Defense Show 2026 opens. The World Defense Show officially kicks off in Riyadh, bringing together global defense leaders, military officials, and top aerospace manufacturers under one roof. The high-profile international defense exhibition highlights cutting-edge military technologies, advanced air defense systems, next-generation fighter jets, unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), cybersecurity innovations, armored vehicles, missile systems, naval platforms, and AI-powered battlefield solutions. Hosted in Saudi Arabia's capital, the Riyadh Defense Expo serves as a strategic platform for global collaboration, defense partnerships, and military modernization initiatives. Leading defense contractors from the United States, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East are showcasing their latest innovations designed to strengthen national security and enhance global defense capabilities.
CISNewsStudio1s, an independent global news channel. Subscribe please, we need your subscription support.